All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part
Yes,
1. Do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Yes, I have a pair of sunglasses. Recently, I bought a ribbon from a local market in my city, and I love that. And sometimes I prefer to sunglasses in a sunny day.
Okay, sometimes I prefer to wear sunglasses on a sunny day.
On sunny.
How often do you wear sunglasses?
So it depends on the
It
occasion. It
depends.
depends on occasion. Sometimes I try to wear my sunglasses on the birthday parties on my cousin as well as on marriage ceremonies. But especially we prefer to wear sunglasses in a hot sunny day to protect my eyes from the harmful sun rays.
Okay. Have you ever lost a pair of
Many
sunglasses?
times I lost a pair of sunglasses on the different occasions, sometimes in my farewell party in school times, as well as on a tour in Nurankagan. And now I'm be careful about my
Now
things.
I'm quite careful about
Quite,
my things.
yes, sir.
And now I don't lose my sunglasses. I
Again.
find sunglasses.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go on. Do people in your country wear sunglasses?
I presume that mostly people in my country prefer to wear sunglasses. Sometimes people use their wearable and visible sunglasses, and sometimes they prefer to the modern and fashionable sunglasses.
All right. Do you like to wear black sunglasses or brown or green? What's your favorite color in sunglasses?
Obviously, I love to wear black sunglasses. It gives me a good moment.
They give me.
They give me
Sunglasses are plural. They give me.
they give me a good moment in a hot sunny day when especially I pulled out my bike to go to my friends on a leisure time.
In my leisure
In
time.
my leisure time.
This is very good. Excellent. You've improved a lot, huh?
Thank
What
you,
are
sir.
you doing?
Nothing special.
Really?
Yeah.
But you've improved a lot.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's go on. It's your turn. Drinking water. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, I believe drinking water is a very good habit. If we drink a lot, then we can keep our body hydrated and our skin also.
All right. So to answer your question, I think we should drink plenty
Plenty
of
of
water every day.
Yes.
One sentence conclusion. Okay. How often do you drink water?
Well, I drink water after every 2 to 3 hours. Mostly in a day, I tend to drink 2 to 3 liters a day.
All right, 2 to 3 liters water a day.
Water.
Do you think do you drink bottled water or water from filter?
Well, I think water from a apparatus like filter or any such machine is very good quality. Is of very good quality, but I also prefer bottled water because it came from a factory, so it has came through the all the processes of purification.
It has been through.
It has been through all the processes of purification. That's why I prefer bottled water.
Do you like to drink hot water or cold water?
Well, I mostly prefer to drink water that is at room temperature, because if I will drink a cold water, I will have a sore throat, and if I drink hot water, I will have a acidity problem.
All right, this is good. Overall, it's fine. So just try to be fluent. And as you deliver your sentences, try to go on in one go.
Okay.
That'll be better,
Okay.
right? Thank you. Good job.